fantasy lives are coming at you. Yeah. Today I'm not going to do my intro for no reason. Jam! Hey guys, it's coming at you. And today we're going to make even more slime. And now that I've figured that out.
Give me all the key. I think some keys are
And it's going to get hard if you put too much baking soda at the half teaspoon. Okay. And yeah. Okay. And if it's hard, just get hot water with dish soap, put it in, mix it up, put the slime in, mix it up. You can even do this with dry slime. And then yeah, don't put it in there for too long because then that's gonna melt. And if you want to see it melt, it's yours, not mine. Okay, before we get started, this little puppy so soft. Here's something. Oh, here it is. And here's cut.
I think you were
See? And yeah, now let's get started. So we have that bottle. Gonna move. As I told you, I wanted to use the bottle of glue for my friend, but but instead, I'm going to use this for me. Yeah. Open it. Tap. Yeah. Okay. Now put the top back on. Now we're going to use a teaspoon. Where is it? Aha, found it. Oopsies. Oops, this time I tear it up lots a little bit right there. Too much. Too much. Just gonna take a little bit out. I don't want to take too much out. Put a little more baking soda. Okay. There we go. Okay, now we're going to need the eye concept solution. We're going to just wipe that off. Go. There we go. ¿Qué? Sí. Okay. Oh, eye contact solution and milk. Wow. Because it is milk. Duh. Oh yeah, before I mix, I'm gonna put in some food coloring. This time I'm gonna add paint. What's the problem? Two. There we go. Three drops is okay. So, two more. Book cruise? Book cruise?
No, I said because it's mine. Like here. Põe esse está.
I'm already finished.
Eu ponho esse aqui, just in case. Papai chegar ali. Falei que você ia pôr uma toalha, tá? Peraí. Isso, good job.
Okay. Just gonna mix really fast over here. Okay. It's kind of like gluey. Ew. This is not good. What did I do wrong? Maybe I think I need like a little bit of. Man, I put too much. Man. Am I gonna put in hot water? Whatever, who cares? Delicious. Still sticky. And ooey. What am I making? think it's the... What is wrong with me? I'm not happy. Today everything was wrong. And don't you dare comment down below why. And why. Don't you dare. And ding. Seriously? Someone just subscribed? Oh, just kidding. Oh, now this time someone did. Mama, I'm not happy today.
Okay.
Everything went wrong.
Why? Você pôs muito o quê?
No, because my slime fell on the paper and I eat too much candy and I feel bad right now.
Don't feel bad. Okay.
And I feel bad.
No, you're just a little tired.
No, it's because my stomach hurts. They only ate candy today, and
Agora quem vai fazer uma health rest agora? Eu faço uma carninha com...
and I went to the pool today. I ate so much pizza. I feel so bad. And you went to 7-Eleven, and that's not even where you're supposed to go to buy the thing I wanted to drink. Everything went wrong.
Quer comer um pouquinho de arroz com coraçãozinho healthy?
No.
Quer um mamazinho?
No.
What do you want? Vai lay down um pouquinho?
Nothing for now.
Vai lay down um pouquinho.
I feel too bad. I can't make this video.
Dá um remédio pro estômago.
Okay.
Aqui, dá um remedinho pro estômago.
Bye.